This 2010 Jayco Seneca 36MS is a Super C RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 37 feet 5 inches in length and features sleep 7, slide-out, awning, air conditioning, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, smoke detector, LP detector, stovetop burner, water heater. The floor plan layout of this Super C features front kitchen, front living area, rear bath, rear bedroom. This 2010 Jayco Seneca 36MS is built on a Kodiak C5500 chassis and is powered by a Duramax engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.